Hi all, in social distance alerter application. In this video we are demonstrating how the application alert the user when nearby user within 6 feet distance. It should have Bluetooth enabled device in discover mode. So let's see how does this application work. Click on application icon. This is simple instruction screen. So I am click on next button, then get started. I will allowing all permissions is given in this. It is allow the Bluetooth and location permission. Without allowing these permissions, this application is not useful. This is the main screen, and user cannot need any interactions with the main screen. Social distance alerter application automatically discovers the nearby users when the app is searching nearby users. If application discover any user in 6 feet range, user will be notified through buzzer and vibrator. Let's see how does this work. This is the second nearby user. This is second. Allow in the Bluetooth and location permission. See this. Buzzer is started. It is in the range in 6 feet distance. When it is out of range in 6 feet distance, buzzer is stopped. So buzzer is stopped because keep distance in 6 feet. So keep distance, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.